Good morning, Block 5. Hope you guys are having a good morning so far. I'm sorry that I'm missing this time with you, but I wanted to give you a quick agenda and rundown for what you're going to be working on today while I am out. So the first bullet point up here for today, Tuesday, October 8th, is watch this screencast video. Congratulations, you've done the first thing that is required for today. After that, you are going to have 15 minutes for independent reading time. Use this time wisely. I know you always do, but keeping in mind that the upcoming unit test in your next class on Thursday has an essay question involving your independent reading project text, you definitely want to make sure that you're maximizing that time. Following your 15 minutes of independent reading time, you are going to complete your Beowulf debates. I'm sorry that I am not here to see this. It was a lot of fun today on Monday in my classes, and I'm sure this will be fun for you. So, what's going to happen? The substitute teacher is going to give you some prep time to review your arguments and final run through of who is saying what. Roughly 5 minutes for you with your group to finalize everything. Then, the debate order is listed right here. So, we will first have the question, which battle was the most challenging for Beowulf and why? The battle with Grendel, which is the pink group, they are going to have 2 minutes to state their case. They don't have to use the full 2 minutes, but they will have 2 minutes. When they are done, there will be cross-examination from the two groups that are opposing them on this question, the orange and green groups. Any member of those two groups is free to ask questions. And the pink group will still be standing up in front of the class after they've delivered their case, and they will answer the questions from there. We will repeat this process with our next two groups, the battle with Grendel's mother and Beowulf's final battle. Each group will have 2 minutes to speak, followed by cross-examination by their opposing groups. When all of this has played out, the jury, the blue and yellow groups, who are just sitting in the audience observing, will vote on the winning group. The substitute teacher is going to take notes on who that group is that wins, and next class you will receive candy. All right. We will then repeat this same process for question 2. Is Beowulf a noble warrior or only concerned about himself and his legacy? Our first case will be from the yellow group, supporting the point that he is a noble warrior. 2 minutes, followed by 1 minute of cross-examination where the blue group can ask questions at that point in time. We will also have the egocentric warrior, blue group presenting 2 minutes, followed by cross-examination 1 minute from the yellow group. We'll do the same thing with the jury, but now that is the orange, pink, and green groups, and they will vote. All right. Once the debates have concluded, which will take roughly 30 minutes probably, you will then turn your attention to the Beowulf Hero's Journey study guide. This is in our class page, so here you go. You'll see it right here. And there is a document that looks just like this. Please read carefully the directions. There are 6 learning stations, virtual learning stations. You won't be moving around the room. This is worth 12 points. Each section is worth 2 points. More importantly than the points, it's probably worth a lot more than 12, because if you do a good, thorough job on this study guide, you will be very, very well prepared for our unit test on Thursday. Please read each part carefully. Put effort into this. Make sure that you complete this, whether in class or at home, because you will be submitting it to me before our next class. Okay? All right. Back to the agenda. You will begin this in class, as I mentioned, on your Chromebook. You might complete this at home, and you can listen to music while you're working on this. So, recapping. What are you doing today? Watching this video. Independent reading. Beowulf debates. Hero's Journey Beowulf Study Guide. I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. You will have some time to review your notes and ask me questions before you take the unit test, but the unit test should take almost the whole class. Have a great day. See you on Thursday.